Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And since yesterday, gold is hanging around 4040. Yesterday, we discussed about two support levels on the chart of gold. The first one was 4084 area, 8485 till 80. The market came to support. Okay, market tried to bounce. Okay, but ultimately market could not resist the selling pressure and it fell. Then market came to a second support zone. Because of the ongoing selling pressure, market is unable to go up, but the buyers are still fighting. And whenever we see a setup like this, usually or in most cases, we see market going down. After some consolidation, market falls sharply. But this is gold, and gold is full of surprises, so we need to be careful. But yes, there is a chance that market will be going down. So if market breaks 4040, like at this particular support here, we can look for a sell position below it because in most of the cases, we see market going down after a big selling pressure. But in case it fails, for example, after taking a sell position, you see market going up again, then yes, it will be better for you or better and also better for me to exit immediately. It means that we have been played by goal again. मतलब goal ने हमारे साथ खेल दिया. Okay. So this is our opportunity number one where you can look for a sell position. The second opportunity and goal is this one, number two. What is the second opportunity here? The second opportunity is the yes, buy around 4,000. As we all know, 4,000 is a very crucial level, critical level, and a very big headache for traders like us because whenever gold was around 4,000, it was very confusing for us. But yes, if market breaks this support zone here, gold will be heading towards 4,000. And as gold has taken support around 4,000 couple of times, so personally, I feel that instead of directly taking support at 4,000, market will be going for some liquidity grab. It means that you may see or we may see that gold breaking 4,000 heading towards 3990, 3980, and then market coming up. So it will be safer for us to buy gold, okay, at 4,000 after the liquidity grab, not immediately, because there's a high chance that market will be going down for some liquidity. When market will be coming up, then we can buy. So this is our buying opportunity and this is our selling opportunity. Again, I'm repeating, gold has been taking support on 40 since yesterday. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it is a good place to sell, but this is gold. Go okay. So in in case it fails, please try to exit immediately. Okay, and our opportunity number two is buying it around 4,000 after liquidity grab. And obviously, the support of 3950 is still very much valid, but I don't think so. Market will be going down to 3950, 3940. In case it goes there, then we can buy. But right now, chances are less. Okay. And if you look at the present market condition, or if you consider the present market condition, then also there is a chance that market may go down because you can see gold declines on stronger dollar, Fed rate hike prospects. Gold falls 2% as Middle East tensions fuel inflation fears, rate hike bet. So the tension on Middle is still going on, and obviously this is the most important factor for gold right now. So if any escalation happens, then obviously we will see the impact on gold, and obviously it will be bad for gold, means gold will be going down. So let's wait and watch. And if gold succeeds in a recovery from here, then we have a selling opportunity around these two areas. The first zone is 4087. Around 4087, 4090, we can look for a selling position. Why? Simple logic. Previous support will be working as register. It was not a major support, but still, okay. If you see the market is going up, observe the market. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell. Not a major level, but the selling pressure is high, so I'm expecting a weak recovery here. मतलब छोटे छोटे कैंडल्स के साथ अगर जाता है, यहाँ पे हम सेल ले सकते हैं. Otherwise, uh, the best selling opportunity, okay, as per price action, is around 4102, 4112. The purple box or the box that you see here is the best selling zone. Same logic, previous support will be working as resistance. If market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. So these are the two selling level opportunities on the chart of gold if market goes up from here. Okay, and as we all know, okay, I don't need to repeat that whenever gold is around 4,000, the trend of the market is not clear. In simple words, right now we have no idea in which direction the market will go. So we are just trying to make some money, trading level to level. That's it. Level to level trading is the only solution here. And as we all know, the weekly closing is always important. The weekly closing will be important. If market closes below 4,000, okay, or if the weekly closing is below 4,000, then we can expect the selling pressure to continue next week. And if gold succeeds in closing above 4,000, then we may see some temporary recovery again next week. But as of now, let's see how does the gold react around 4,040, 4040. If market slips below 4040, we can look for a sell position. Be careful. Gold has been standing here since yesterday, since last US session. But usually in a setup like this, in all the markets around the world, we get a good selling opportunity. And if market comes to 4,000 area, we can look for a buy opportunity. Okay, but it is better and safer for us to buy at 4,000 after liquidity grab, because 4,000 has been giving us a tough time and market has already taken support couple of times. So this time we can expect some liquidity grab. 394050 is still very much valid, but chances are less. And if gold goes up from here, we have the first selling opportunity around 408790. It is a weak level, but if you see a weak recovery, then we can look for a selling opportunity around this area. Otherwise, the best selling opportunity on the chart of gold is around 4102, 4112. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And as I always say, my dear friends, today is Friday. So do not fry your account. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.